Take it to Montgomery County right now, where Maryland's largest public school system does not have to allow parents to opt their kids out of lessons involving LGBTQ themes.
Yeah, that federal appeals court ruling coming down today in response to a lawsuit that was filed by Montgomery County parents. Fox 5's Homa Bash live at the Board of Education headquarters in Rockville with new details tonight. Homa?
Yeah, guys, so this center is all around LGBTQ storybooks in classrooms. Parents who want to opt their kids out say the responsibility should be with them, not with the schools. They tell me they are disappointed with today's decision, but they do plan to appeal. It is an issue that Fox 5 has covered extensively for the last year. Thousands of parents gathering at rallies, protests, and school board meetings. On Wednesday, a divided federal appeals court ruled that Maryland parents cannot opt their children out of LGBTQ inclusive book curriculum in classrooms. This stems from a lawsuit brought by parents in Montgomery County. Eric Baxter is the senior counsel at the Beckett Fund for Religious Liberty, representing roughly 300 parents, Muslims, Christians, and Ethiopian Orthodox, who want to be able to excuse their pre-K to fifth grade students from those specific materials.
Issues around sexuality that are simply too mature for such young children.
Some of the book titles include The Pride Puppy, Uncle Bobby's Wedding, and Born Ready, the true story of a boy named Penelope. Last year at rallies and school board meetings, Fox 5 also spoke with MCPS parents who oppose the opt-out policy.
I mean, I don't want to go down the slippery slope of maybe a Christian parent doesn't want their kids exposed to a Muslim family in a picture. You know, where do we draw that line?
We need many more books and not less books, because young people are amazing. They're sponges and they don't have hate. Hate is learned.
However, one thing that the group representing parents who do wish to opt out wants to make clear is they are not asking for these books to be removed from the classrooms.
We understand that there are different parents who have different perspectives. All parents should have the right to decide if something's inappropriate for their own child and to remove their child from the classroom in those circumstances. And I think that's something that every resident of Montgomery County can get behind.
Now, I reached out to MCPS. They tell me they have not seen the ruling just yet, and they cannot comment on ongoing litigation. Guys, this is far from over. The group of parents who want to opt their kids out say they plan to take this to the Supreme Court next.